In the ever-evolving world of algorithmic trading, automation has become a powerful ally for traders seeking consistency, speed, and data-driven decision-making. The EVEN ODD Lollipop V.1a bot is one such tool that aims to simplify and streamline digit-based trading on the Deriv platform. Built specifically for the Random 100 index, this bot trades under the digits even/odd contract type and is designed with a balance of simplicity and smart logic. Unlike many bots that rely on complicated indicators and unpredictable market signals, the EVEN ODD Lollipop bot focuses on tick analysis and digit prediction. Its logic is rooted in observing recent market ticks and selecting entry points where the probability of winning is higher based on pattern detection. Additionally, the bot is capable of adjusting its stake dynamically based on the result of previous trades. This allows it to adapt and recover more efficiently during unfavorable market conditions without being overly aggressive. While the bot doesn't use overly complex strategies, it comes equipped with built-in logic to reset after winning streaks to protect accumulated profit. Avoid dangerous behavior during extended loss sequences. Encourage structured trading through stake readjustments. All of this is done with minimal user input, making it a great choice for beginners who want to automate their trading with less risk exposure and more control. Practical use on Deriv. Using the bot is straightforward. Log into the Deriv bot platform. Upload the .xml file of the bot. Ensure the correct market and contract types are selected. Set your starting stake. Run the bot and monitor performance. No coding knowledge is required. It's plug and play, just import the file, and you're ready to trade. Despite its smart behavior, it's essential to understand that no bot can guarantee profit. The market, especially synthetic indices, is unpredictable. This bot is structured to limit risk, but losses are always possible. As a responsible trader, always start with a demo account. Use small amounts at first. Stick to your trading plan. Avoid emotional decisions. The EVEN ODD Lollipop V.1a bot is not just another trading script, it's a lightweight, strategic assistant designed to help traders approach digit-based trading with confidence. Whether you're just getting started with Deriv or you're looking to automate a portion of your trading, this bot provides a great balance between simplicity and performance. However, remember, automation is a tool, not a guarantee. Smart use, consistent discipline, and understanding your strategy will always be key to your long-term success.